Welcome to our walkthrough of 3 industrial meat grinding lines available for sale through M&M Equipment. Beginning with room 3, we've got a FPEC high lift vat dumper with an FPEC transfer conveyor model 327 BC. This flows into a Weiler 1109 with a control panel, hopper extension, and 11-inch auger. From there, we have an FPEC Twin Screw SC 126 screw auger with 21-inch diameter screws and pneumatic safety covers. This leads into an FPEC 1109 3000 capacity all stainless steel mixer grinder and an incline screw auger. In our second grind line, room 2, this line begins with an FPEC high lift pivot combo vat dumper going into an FPEC model 9431 transfer conveyor. This leads into a Dixie 11-9B grinder with a hopper extension, spiral fluted barrel, and complete with an auger puller for safety. From there, the line flows to an FPEC Twin Screw SC 126 screw auger designed to transfer product to an FPEC 11-inch 3,000-pound capacity mixer grinder. This mixer grinder is also set up with CO2 capabilities and load cells. Next, we have another twin screw auger conveyor with a 10-foot overall height. And lastly, the line is complete with multiple work platforms and controls. In our final grind line, room 1, we begin with a custom stainless steel lift and pivot combo dumper, currently set to dump at 112-inch lip and onto a custom transfer conveyor, and then into a 100 horsepower Weiler 1109 grinder with a hopper extension and spiral fluted barrel. From there, we have an FPEC SC 126 screw conveyor system with pneumatic safety covers and 2 motors. In this room, we also have an FPEC 815 5,000-pound capacity paddle blender with CO2 capabilities and dual end discharge. There are also 2 additional incline screw auger systems and a Weiler 1109 with a hopper extension, spiral fluted barrel, auger puller, and controls. Lastly, this line comes with a number of stainless steel work platforms for ergonomics and maintenance support. For more information on any of the equipment featured in this video, feel free to reach out to our sales team or call us at 847-673-0300.